Welcome back to the InfoFlex. Have you ever worried about someone moving your valuables? Today we will build a simple security alarm system using Arduino, a tilt switch and a buzzer, all placed inside a box to keep your things safely. This project is perfect if you want to secure your money box, locker or even a package. The moment someone displays or tilts the box, the buzzer will turn on immediately and alert you. To make this project, you will need Arduino Uno, tilt switch sensor, buzzer, lithium ion batteries, breadboard, and jumper wires. And of course, a box to secure your items. A tilt switch is a simple sensor that detects the change in orientation or movement. Inside the switch, there is usually a tiny metal ball or liquid mercury that rolls or flow when the sensor is tilted. This movement either closes or opens the circuit, sending a signal to your Arduino or microcontroller. Connect the VCC pin of the tilt sensor to 5V on the Arduino, ground to ground, and signal pin to digital pin 2 on the Arduino. Connect the VCC pin of the buzzer module to 5V, ground to ground, and signal pin to digital pin 4 on the Arduino. The tilt switch works like a tiny ball inside a tube. When the breadboard is still, the ball stays in place, keeping the circuit open. But when the breadboard tilts, the ball moves close the circuit and sends a signal to the Arduino. The Arduino then immediately activates the buzzer. The code is very simple. We set the tilt switch as an input and the buzzer as an output. If the tilt switch detects movements, Arduino turns the buzzer on. Otherwise, the buzzer remains off. Upload the code to Arduino Uno. To power up my Arduino, I am using a 3-cell battery holder with 3 lithium-ion batteries. Here I have a lithium-ion battery and you can clearly see its 2 terminal. The raised button side is the positive terminal while the flat side is the negative terminal. Each battery gives about 4.2 volts when fully charged and around 3.3 volts normally. Before inserting them, I always check each cell with a multimeter to make sure they are working properly. Checking each battery individually also help avoid problems if one of them is weak or not charged. I place all 3 batteries in the holder. The total voltage comes out to around 9 to 12 volt, which is more than enough to power up the Arduino. The Arduino then regulates this voltage down to 5 volts internally, so the board runs smoothly. Once the circuit and code are ready, we place everything inside the box. The tilt switch should be fixed so that any movement of the box can trigger it instantly. Now let's test it. When the box is at rest, the system is silent. But the moment someone tries to pick it up, the alarms goes off immediately. This makes it a simple but effective security system. And that's how you can secure your belonging using just an Arduino, a tilt switch and buzzer. A low cost but effective way to protect your valuables. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more exciting Arduino tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.